Hello guys, even though the custom made indicator can make you a lot of money, can help you to make a lot of money trying to trade boom and crash, but do you know that you don't really need the custom made indicator before you can start making some good amount of money for yourself? Okay guys, I know what you guys are thinking. Okay, you might not make as much as what the custom made indicator will help you to make, okay, because the custom made indicator will give you the right direction of what is happening in the market whenever you are trying to trade, and you can make lots of money with the custom made indicator. That is if you have a good one, okay. But however, not everyone will be having the money to get the custom made indicator at the beginning. But do you know that you can still make money? It might not be as much as what you will be making with the custom made indicator, but you can still be making $50 to $100 on daily basis using simple setups that you can find on your chart. And I will show you this particular setup which will help you to make between $50 to $100 on daily basis if you follow the full instruction I will be dishing out in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some quick cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take your time to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account, then you now try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So if you are willing to make between $50 to $100 on daily basis without getting the custom made indicator, then let's go straight into what we have right here. So first of all, I will be giving us we will be checking out a chart like this. Okay, this is boom 1005-minute time frame. I'm going to delete this setup, and of course this is just an horizontal line, so we're going to be inserting an indicator on it. Okay, so I will advise you to go to Bill Williams. Okay, and of course you click on alligator. Okay, so we will be checking out alligator, and we'll be doing some setup right here. Okay, sorry, I will have to take that up again. So we will be doing some setup right here. So the blue line, which happen to be jaws, okay, the first signal line, which happen to be jaws, okay, and of course we're going to make it the same color with that of the background. Okay, so I'm going to make it black color because we have a black background. I don't want it to show at all. Then the teeth color, I'm going to leave it at red, and of course make it a bit thicker. Then the line color, which is the lips, the lips color, I'm also going to make it thicker also, and I'm going to leave the color that way because I want it to show. Okay, so okay, let me change the color for the lips because it is the same color with the candle, so I'm going to make it white. Let me make it white. Okay guys, this is it guys, this is what I want us to do. Okay, this is beautiful, right? It is simple, very easy to use. Okay, I'm going to explain what you need to do. It also has to do with the trend. Okay, so this has actually got into a resistance zone around here. You can see it has got into a resistance zone. All you need is a crossing, downward crossing. We had the white color crossing the red around here. It didn't go too far, it spiked up, not totally bad. Okay, gave us another entry point around here. So you can see this went far because it broke out from here. Check it out, it went straight till it got to this region. This is 5 minutes time frame. You can see that. Okay, you can see that. That's amazing guys, that's amazing. This is another opportunity. Check it out, a buy signal around here. We have been coming around here after the crossing, probably to open around here, and of course you can see so many crossing happen again till it gets to this resistance zone. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. So you can take advantage of this opportunity right from there. Check out more, guys. Check out more. Here is an upward crossing again. Give us a buy signal till it got to this region, and at this point we got a sell signal already, and it is already selling, and it will keep on selling that way. That's so amazing. So you guys can try out this strategy and use it to milk the market successfully. Try it out and let me know in the comment section if you are able to make profits with it or not. Okay, check out this also. Okay, we got a sell signal around there, and of course it came down till it got to this very region. That's so amazing, guys. Okay, like I've always been telling you, each time you place an order, also place a stop loss order for each of the order you are placing. Okay, this will help you to secure your capital, and as you start making profit, let's say you put a sell order somewhere here, okay, and as you start making profits, let's say your profits, your current market action has gotten to this place, adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of your profit. That is how you go about it. Okay, and as this is giving you more profit, keep on adjusting your stop loss to lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, it is as easy as that, and you're going to enjoy trading with this strategy. It is a simple strategy, and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. Try out this strategy on your demo account and let me know in the comment section if it works out well or not. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow for more of this. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.